Hello, how are you? Hello, hello, it's good to see you. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, it's good to see you. I say hello to you and all your friends. I say hello to you and all your friends. It's a good day to start. It's a very good day to start. How are you, children? Yes, welcome to Milo Classroom. Today we are going to learn about a new letter, that is letter D. Okay, let us get into the topic. Right. Yes, children, what can you see on the panel? Yes, it is letter D. Uppercase letter D and lowercase letter D. Am I right? This is uppercase D and this one is lowercase d. And what is the sound of letter D, children? It is D. D sounds D. D sounds D. And let us sing a rhyme on the sound. Yes. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun. Da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Okay. So playing drums is lots of fun. And what is the sound of the drum, children? That is also sounds da 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 da. Right? D sounds da. D sounds da. And now we'll see how to write letter D. Shall we have a air writing? Yes. You have to take a point and write standing line. Okay. And a right curve makes letter D, which is uppercase. Okay. I'll show you one more time. Standing line, right curve is uppercase D. And how to write lowercase d? You have to write left curve, then standing line. Left curve, standing line makes lowercase d. Now let us see on the panel. I'll show you by writing. Okay? Yes, children, after air writing, let us see how to write the letter on the panel. Okay? So first I will show you uppercase D. See here. Observe me carefully. Standing line. Okay? And right curve. Standing line and right curve makes the uppercase D. One more time. Standing line, right curve. Standing line, right curve. This is uppercase D. And let us now see lowercase d. For writing lowercase d, first you need to form the left curve. Left curve. Okay, then standing line. This is lowercase d. So one more time. Left curve. Standing line. This is lowercase d. Now let us see few words that start with letter D. Right, children. Now we will see few words that start with letter D. What is this? It's a dinosaur. 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 And this animal is not there on the earth, children. You cannot see dinosaur. It was there few years ago. Many species of dinosaurs were there, but now you cannot see this animal. Okay? What is this? There is lot of sand. Okay? Where there is a sand on the landform that is called desert. Okay, desert is a landform where it is covered fully with only sand. Okay, you can see only sand over there. That landform is called desert. The desert. The desert. And see here, children, who is this person? Who is this person? Yes, who is wearing a stethoscope? Who wears stethoscope, children, and wears white coat? Yes, he is a doctor. The doctor. The doctor. And when do you visit doctor? Whenever you feel sick, right? Yes. And what is this? See here, there is a house made by an animal. Okay, this is house of one of the animals. That animal is lion. Okay, lion's house is called the den. The den. Okay, right. Now we will see an interesting sentence by using these words. The dinosaur looked for doctor's den in the desert. The dinosaur looked for doctor's den in the desert. So by using the words that start with letter D, here we framed a sentence, and you can also try making these sentences, children. Here we have few more words that start with letter D. Let us see them. The dolphin. The dolphin. Dolphin is a water animal, right? And this is called very friendly water animal, children. Okay, it doesn't harm anyone. The duck. The duck. It is a water animal. It is a water bird. The doll. The doll. And do you play with dolls? Yes. The dog. The dog. The doe. The doe. It is a bird. The daily. The daily. Daily means every day. The daily. So these are the words that we covered under letter D, and you can also read these words by identifying the sound. Okay, children? Yes. Now let us listen to a story on letter D. Yes, children, are you ready to listen to the story? Yes. Now I will introduce you the characters of the story first. Okay? He is a father duck and his name is Duckle. Okay, father duck, and name of this father duck is Duckle. And next character in our story is baby duck. Baby duck, and his name is Duffel. Duffel. And one more character in our story is dog. His name is Dan. Okay, his name is Dan. And the next character in our story is deer. Deer, and its name is Dora. The name of the deer is Dora. And it's a toy doll. The doll. And all these characters are starting with letter D, right? We have the characters of duck, dog, deer and doll, right? And we have two ducks. One is father duck, who is Duckle, and the baby duck, who is Duffel. And then dog, dog's name is Dan, and deer, and deer's name is Dora, right? Now the story begins. The father duck, who is a duckle, right? Duckle and duffel. They wanted to go for a picnic. Okay, duckle and duffel wanted to go for a picnic. With whom? They want to go with Dan and Dora. Okay, children, all four want to go for a picnic. First, who decided? Duckle and Duffel. Father duck and the baby duck. And they even wanted to join dog, which is Dan, and Dora, who is a deer. All four, right? So, ducks wanted to join these two also. Now, they four are going for a picnic. And when they are going for a picnic, they took doll. Why? To play. They four wanted to play with the doll, right? And they took doll, packed their bags, and they went for a picnic. Okay, so where they went, nicely they went for a beach area. Okay, they went for a beach area. And what they packed, they packed a music system, okay, and all the foodie items and some toys and some dolls they packed and went to a beach area to picnic. And once they went there, they had lot of fun playing drums, okay, and dancing together, singing together, all those. They had lot of fun playing with the toys and playing with the dolls. They had a wonderful day out and came back home. Okay, children? And do you do that if you meet your friends? Yes, in the same way, the duffel and duckle did and had a lot of fun with all the friends. Okay, so here the story ends. What did you understand, children? We understood that Duckle and Duffel joined Dan and Dora together and they went for a picnic and had lot of fun as a day out, right? Yes. Now we will get into the writing. Are you ready with your 4 rule? Yes. Yes, children, I am ready with my 4 rule. Okay, now let us write the uppercase D first. So, where to start, where to end and how to form letter D with the proper alignment. So, that is I am going to show you now. Okay, see me carefully. Now, to form a uppercase D, the first stroke that you have to write is standing line. Am I right? Yes. So, where to start and where to end the standing line? See here. Start at the red line and come down till third line, that is second blue line. Okay, children, then form a right curve and form a right curve. Okay, like this. And shall we write one more time? Yes. Standing line from the first line to third line, then by joining a right curve. Okay, children. Now, I am going to write one more time. Standing line, right curve. Standing line, right curve. Shall we practice by writing few more times? Yes, and whenever you are writing, you have to read and write. So, once you write, say D. Okay, this is uppercase D. Hope you understood how to write uppercase D with the proper line alignment. Am I right? You have to always start at the first line, come down till third line. Okay, right standing line first. Then you have to form a right curve. Now I am going to show you lowercase d. How to write lowercase d. For writing lowercase d, you need to write the left curve first. Okay, but where to write the left curve? only in the middle lines, children, second line and third line. It should not touch the first line or fourth line. So in the two lines, first form a left curve, then a standing line from first line to third line. Okay children, this is how you have to write your lowercase d. So we will practice by writing few more times. Left curve, standing line, left curve, standing line, left curve, standing line. Okay, we'll write few more times in the next line also. Left curve, standing line, D. Left curve, standing line, D. Left curve, standing line, D. Left curve, standing line. Left curve in the two lines, then standing line. Left curve in two lines, then standing line from first line to third line. This is how you have to write your lowercase d. Okay children, this is uppercase d and this one is lowercase d. And now your job is to keep practice many times, okay? And with the proper line alignment. You should always have to focus on where you are starting and where you are ending. Okay children, from which line the letter has to start to which line the letter has to end. These 2 points you please keep in your mind and write. Okay, so you keep practicing. We will do the hands-on activity. Yes children, we are in the hands-on activity. Okay, what I am going to teach you now? We are going to draw and color drum. The drum. Okay, what you need? We need an A4 size paper and crayons. Okay, these two are enough to draw the drum and color. Okay, now let us see how we can do it. Yes children, now we will do a hands-on activity, that is drawing and coloring drum. So first we should draw the drum. So see me very carefully. I am going to draw by using strokes and shapes. The first step that you need to do is draw an oval. Draw an oval. Yes, okay. This is an oval, right children? Right. Now you have to draw a standing line downwards, and on the other end one more standing line. Then draw a sleeping line. Okay. Now draw the strokes. Right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line and left slanting line. Okay, now you have some shape. Can you tell me what it is? See here, we have some triangles. These are the triangles, right? And this is one triangle. Yes. And here also we have one triangle. So we'll make this picture a little bright now. So I am drawing one more time. Okay. Now in these spaces you can draw some circles to make your drum colorful. Right. Now here inside of the oval you can draw one more oval shape. Like this. And drum will have sticks. Am I right, children? So you have to draw the sticks on top of the drum. See here. Slanting line and one more slanting line like this. And draw a circle here. Not complete circle. You have to just join them like this. And here also a slanting line, one more slanting line, sleeping line and a half circle. So this is like a stick. Now we will color this. You can choose your favorite colors, children. I am using different colors. Okay. For the circles, I am using my pink color. So the sticks also I will use pink color. Now I will take the orange color to color the vowel shapes. The down portion of the drum can be, you can use different colors for this. For each space I will use different colors. With this, we are done with the session. So, shall we have a quick recap what we have done in the session? Yes, children. What we have done first? We have identified the letter, right? And we got to know how to write in air. Then we have traced the letter and understood the sound of the letter. Am I right? Then we have heard a story. Then we got to know few words that start with letter D. Then we wrote in the 4-line book. We have heard one rhyme on letter D. Then finally we did one hands-on activity, right? So you please keep practice reading and writing, children. So bye for now. I am going to see you in the next class.